Hi, I created a very straightforward front-end control panel for control my AR3 Robot ARM. This front-end is connected to my previous project backend web services. So we are using the web connection, web protocol to manage the robot arm. Like I go left, go right, go up, go down, open the gripper, close the gripper, move the thread. Everything is using a single joystick. This is our today agenda. Okay, first I want to explain my environment. This AR3 is connected to Raspberry Pi, and this Raspberry Pi connected to Wi-Fi, and then this Raspberry Pi also installed one camera module shooting this machine. You want to install this Raspberry Pi at any place, it's up to you, as long as this Raspberry Pi is connected with this robot arm with two USB port, Arduino port and also a 10C port. To show you the screen, I connect a monitor into this Pi using HDMI. My Raspberry Pi is powered by one power adapter from the plug. This Raspberry Pi running my AR3 web service now. At the same time, it runs webcam services. This webcam service program is also bundled with this web service together. This Python, this webcam function is I get download from internet. So I just copy exactly the source code over here. Since my project is open source, I think no problem. Okay. So it's done. This is the robot arm portion. Then I open up my MacBook, and then this MacBook is not connected to Raspberry Pi. It just connect to Wi-Fi. However, I can define the Raspberry Pi IP address into my laptop. So I just put in the Raspberry Pi IP address. If you using Raspberry Pi and if you install the camera module and this services is running webcam, when you run, yeah, it show me the picture. And then if I move, it will move. Okay, so let's control my arm. So to control my arm, the J1 left right, I can control in this way. Up down. Okay, then J2. I use this joystick. Okay, sorry. J1 is left right, J2 is up down, J3 is here, another joystick. Then left right. Okay, it will rotate. J4 then after that J5, J6 is using here. When I execute the command, you will see it hold. There is a spinner here. You cannot send additional command before this spinner finish. So if I keep pressing, it won't run until the spinner finish. Then I can give another option, another command. Okay. Then if I want to back to the home position, rest position, I just press this button. Yeah, nice. I open the grid. Wait, you run finish first. It still execute this command. Close. Open. Close. Okay. If I want to know the current arm position, every time I give an instruction, the arm position it will display here. Okay. If you want to get the URL of the arm, you just press B. It will copy for you. It will show here, then you can just simply copy paste. Sometimes you may move the arm, okay, like you press the emergency button, or I customize my arm using here. Okay, I move like that. If I want to get the latest address, I just press A, it will refresh. Then here is the explanation. I press A button, it refresh the arm info at here. I press B button, it will get the position string here. Wait, oh sorry, I press already. Like that. If I want to make the robot arm move faster, more degree, so I can just press here. So you see. Okay, multiply value, it will go like that. So now when I move J1, it will move more degree. Then at the here, back here, I will have a travel track. So try. Yeah. So this one is decrease the multiply value, this one increase. This one turn the travel track to left, this one turn to right. This left to for J1, left right to J1, turn, up down for J2, left right for J3, left right for J4, up down for J3, then left right for J6, this one is for J5. Here go back to the rest position. This one is to the calibration. Then you see the sample here. Start is calibrate. You just follow the explanation here. Okay, hope you enjoy this front end. You can download the front end the project over here. Then this is the front end. You just copy here, then you can into your web server folder, then you can run. But however, you need to have the backend services running. There is an explanation here. You can just follow.